So this is the BOEN high impact socket set, and I absolutely love this thing so far because it has just everything you need. So on the major sockets you have 8 and then 10 all the way to 22, and then up here you got 1 1/4 all the way to 3/8. And you get a long extension, a tiny short extension, a medium extension, a converter from 3/8 to half, and I don't know what to call this thing, but it's the bendy, and it's half to half. And then the other thing I'll mention real quick is that they're all marked clearly so you can see it, but then if that happened to wear off, you also have the imprinted portion here. So if this gets covered in paint or something, you also have it to where it'll never go away. You can be able to see it. So I am not an automotive guy, I've said that before. But what I do have is tractors and trucks and stuff like that I have to change tires all the time. I have cactus, so I get flat tires like crazy. I have one right now. And I bought this Rella Roads because, again, this is not my job. It's just something I do when I need to get it done. Fairly inexpensive 1/2-inch gun with these also fairly inexpensive 1/2-inch sockets. It seems like an extremely good value to me. The other thing I'm going to mention is that the card here is a warranty card, but it gives you information about torque and torque pressure for the different sockets that you have. It's a pretty nice little addition here.